Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out your membership card including a QR code on the Singapore Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below and then click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on my account at the top, and here you can see this membership card, so tap on it and here you can find it, your membership number and also your name including your QR code. And if you would like to add it to your Apple Wallet, click on this last button and then you can add it by tapping on the add button at the top of the screen. Tap on proceed and here you can find it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.